Why did Grandpa apply for a grant for dental implants? Because he wanted to have a bite of the apple pie without pressing Command+Z for undo every time. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on grant for dental implants for seniors. Tip 1. Understand the grants. The first thing to remember while looking for dental implants grants is to comprehend the nature of grants. Not all organizations offer outright monetary grants. Some may offer the dental service itself as a grant. Therefore, it's critical to understand exactly what kind of grant is being offered and how it will work in your specific case. Tip 2. Start with local agencies. Many local health departments and organizations offer aid programs for seniors, including grants for dental implants. Check with your local governmental health department, dental schools, and other local health-focused NGOs. Tip 3. Look for non-profit organizations. Some non-profit organizations like Oral Health America offer programs specifically targeted towards access to affordable dental care for seniors. Tip 4. Look for national grants. Organizations like the American Dental Association, the Cosmetic Dentistry Grants Program, and the Dental Lifeline Network all offer grants on a national level that could potentially help with the cost of dental implants. Tip 5. Research eligibility. Before applying for any grant, find out the eligibility criteria. Some grants are specific about who they help, based on age, income, and present health conditions. Tip 6. Be organized. Gathering all required documents and filling out all forms carefully is an essential step to ensure that your grant request proceeds without a hitch. Tip 7. Persistence pays. Do not get discouraged if you don't secure a grant at your first attempt. Some grants have high competition, and it might take multiple tries before you are successful. Tip 8. Apply for multiple grants. Don't limit yourself to one source. Apply for multiple grants to increase your chances of getting funding. It's not uncommon for people to combine funds from different grants to cover a dental implant procedure. Tip 9. Use free online resources. Utilize free online resources like grant search engines and databases. Websites like grants.gov, benefits.gov, and others can be excellent resources to find additional grant opportunities. Tip 10. Keep in touch with potential grantors. Communicating regularly, asking questions, and keeping them updated on your status increases your chances of successfully landing a grant. Tip 11. Consider other financial assistance programs. If grants are not available, consider other financial assistance programs like health insurance, Medicaid, or dental discount programs that might help ease the financial burden of dental implants.